Going to be using the Viro phone holder that's supposed to follow you when you move. So I'm just going to set it up on my counter, and then it's just going to follow me as I'm doing my meal prepping. It is currently around 2 p.m. my time on a Sunday afternoon, and I'm going to start meal prepping. You know, as busy moms, we need to take advantage of our time off from work and prepare for the week. So this is the menu for the week. I am going to have the chia pudding for a breakfast. I am going to make chicken so I can have chicken salad for lunch. And then for dinner, I'm going to make a version of the Viro cabbage soup, but I'm going to go ahead and add ground turkey to it just so that I can have a little bit of extra protein in the evening. So that's going to be for my dinner. So that's the menu for the week. Now, just to give you context, I'm also going to be cooking additional meals like spaghetti for my kids today. My little one wanted spaghetti. I'm also going to go ahead and put some beans to cook for the week. And that's for the rest of my family, just in case they don't want to eat what I'm eating. I have some additional food already pre-prepared so that I don't have to struggle in the evenings when I come home and I don't know what to cook for dinner. here she is. She looks delicious. Here is the chicken for lunch for our salad. My thinking is that I'm gonna have to make more in the middle of the week, but that's fine. Here is the cabbage soup. It's done. In a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add the ground turkey. So here's the turkey. It's already done and ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my soup. And here's the spaghetti for the kiddos. Beans are ready to go now. So about an hour and 20 minutes later, we are done with everything that we're supposed to cook.